What is the one thing that separates a great manager from one who gets passed over for a promotion? It is something way more basic, and it is probably not what you think. It is courage. I had such an opportunity to train or to mentor a young leader who had to confront a resistant team member who was not only adverse to change at work, but also that person's attitude also instilled fear in the rest of the team. Yet, after multiple coaching sessions, with courage, that young leader addressed the issues head on, telling the team members he will need to change long held habits and address his attitude for the sake of the team. The conversation was tough indeed, but afterward, the team member returned, thanked the leader for his honesty, and acknowledged the need for change, not just at work, but also in his own private life. This small act of courage by this young leader sparked a positive transformation for the entire team. And most importantly, it led to the transformation of that team members who, according to many, was very toxic for the team.